together now. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail. And scene. Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with an unboxing video of the newest jewel box. You guys, I am like super excited. Erica sent me this. I am, you know, like one of her girls, okay? So she sent me this ahead of time. I am so excited to unbox this and put this up. So you guys are getting this like ASAP. Like, I'm about to record it and then I'm going to edit it and put it up as soon as possible. So anyways, this is the jewel box. Let's get ready to open it. Hey. You got it, girl. You got it. Alright, so you guys see, I am opening this with you guys, okay? Like, this is together. We are all in this together. Whew, okay. Okay, girl. She said it was going to be a little surprise in here. Okay, let me get it together. Y'all know I'm here for this. I love, look, let me stop playing. Okay, with the paper around it. There we go. Oh, my goodness. This... Sis, you already clowning. This is gorgeous, these colors, but this, I can't get to it fast enough. This is the Power Edition. I don't know if I said that in the beginning, but this is the Power Edition of the jewel box. If you guys don't know what the jewel box is, it is a bi-monthly subscription that you can sign up for, and again, it's bi-monthly. I don't know how to say that any other way. So it's not monthly, it's bi-monthly, and you'll receive it. You'll get charged for it, and then you'll receive your stuff. Look, I'm all over the place. I'm over here looking at this. I'm sorry, y'all. This is absolutely freaking gorgeous, and I cannot wait any longer. Like, y'all just saw, I just paused and was talking all over myself. I don't even know what I just said. I'm looking at this. What is it? Baby, she used to make these little clay keychains in order. Is this what that is? Y'all, it's a whole, look. Oh my goodness. Is this not the prettiest thing that you ever did see? Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. I cannot, like, listen. This is beautiful. Okay, she's gonna sit like right here the whole entire time. Y'all gonna get this. Okay, y'all gonna get this goodness over here. First of all, pink, black, stripes, pink, black, stripes. All of that is my zhuzh. So I'm already here for this. Okay. Here we go. All right. So this is the today's power moves. Okay. Come on, Power. Oh, wait, with the crown in the back. Y'all know I'm here for this crown. That is so stinking cute. Okay. So it's just like a little, these are sticky notes, y'all. Sticky notes. Says and it has the dots on here, and it says power, the ability to do or act. I'm here for it. I love this. So stinking cute, and this is going to go perfect in my planner. Oh yes, because it's gonna go with the aesthetic, and everything in there. Oh my gosh, this is so right on time, you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, okay, so let's get into these. These are some of my favorites. I know I say this in probably every single thing that I do, but this is some of my favorite things because she always comes with the quotes. And this is, okay, this is I Will Be Intentional. Posh. If you guys don't know who Posh is, she is Posh Plans on Instagram, and oh my gosh, she is always giving some great inspiration. She is very transparent. She tells you, like, when she's having a good day, when people done got on her nerves, how to get over it, how to get under it, how to get on top of it. Like, she is all about like that self-care and self-awareness and being the best you that you can be. Like, I absolutely love her, and this is the collection from her. Okay, so it is I Will Be Intentional, I Will Stand in My Power, and that's her crown. And then it says No Perfection, Only Purpose. I am becoming more confident and powerful every day. Like, do y'all see that? How cute is that? Okay. And then 5 ways to keep your personal power. Don't waste time complaining. Set healthy boundaries. Forgive. Value yourself. Don't waste time on unproductive thoughts. Posh. I am unshakable. Come on now. Come on. You better be unshakable. And then this is absolutely the cutest. Do you hear me? First of all, if y'all know Posh, these are her glasses, okay? I am here for it. And then you got your computer. You got your planner out here in these streets. And then it has the power, the ability to do or act. And then all the little cards over here. This is absolutely cute. And it says, hello, Jewel. I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate you for blessing me this year with my art. I hope the new year is filled with love, planning, growth, and lots of new opportunities for you. Peace and blessings to you, Queen. From Erica. Y'all, I am in love with this. This is going to go in my new planner. Like, point blank period. Like, don't even try me, okay? Try me notteth. Thou shalt notteth try me with that one. Okay, then we have our little jewels. I am so here for these. So super cute. And I love little functional stickers. You guys know I'm all about the functionality of stickers. And they are just little jewels that can come off and you can use to like mark things. Definitely going to add this. This is like, listen, hold on. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about when I said I'm going to put it in my planner. Because I just got this new planner from Newtique. So this black. And this, like, are y'all picking up what I'm putting down right now? Like, this is about to be the bomb. Like, this was destined to be. It was all together. Like, oh, I cannot. Okay, then you get this full box sticker. I love this. Oh, my goodness. Y'all know how I be. I be hoarding stuff. I'm going to use this, like, tomorrow. And then you have your Hobonichi Weeks kit, which you can take. You can kind of use this however you want to because it just has the dates on there. It's not a full strip. That's what I was trying to show y'all. And I was, like, messed around and, like, just took that off. But anyways, look at this kit. This is so cute. I am so here for this. Yes, you better be powerful, okay? And then look at this washi over here. Like, oh, I'm just loving this. Y'all know I'm here. I'm a sucker for stripes anyways. I am clearly a sucker for stripes. This is so cute. These are absolutely gorgeous. And I love the little sayings like on the stickers. And this. Now, I was looking at this, like, trying not to look at everything else. I was looking at this one. Okay, so this has important notes, plan, and to-do stickers. Y'all, Erica, sis, sister, you did it. This is the one, okay? This is the one. I thought the last one was the one. But sis, this one is hidden on it. And I don't know if it's just the colors or if it's the tone of the whole everything, the power. I feel powerful just sitting here touching it. Like, I feel like I'm finna get my life together and I ain't getting nothing but look at some stickers. Look, I'm here for it. This is just beautiful. Like, the font is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, let's get into these papers. Y'all know this is one of my favorite things are her paper. Child, I didn't mess around and saw some stuff I might have should not have saw. Okay, so we have our acetate. It got the crowns on it. Can y'all see that? Okay, that's the crowns are on the acetate, y'all. I'm about to tear this up now. Like, I'm about to not tear it up, but I'm about to go ahead and cut it up tonight. Punch some holes in it so I can put it in my planner. Like, I got to. I'm finna set this planner up. Like, how cute is this paper? Like, and on. Listen. Look, I could take nail pictures on here. Just nail pictures. Like, you can't fool a little. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What? What? Oh my gosh, let me see how this looks with the acetate on top of it. Can you really you can't really see it like that, but I can see it. Like, I see the vision. I'm gonna write the vision and make it plain. That is so cute to me. Okay, so you get 2 sheets of those. Y'all, I'm here. Listen, I'm here for it. Okay, so we got our stripes. Let's see what's on the back. Okay, come through, white wall, brick wall, all white bricks. Oh wait, I probably shouldn't sing that song on here, but these are really white. Okay, I'm gonna move on. This is so cute. And then these lines, oh yes, these are the lines that get you dizzy. I'm sorry about that. Okay, and then I just stuck it closer to the thing. And then this is like sand. Not like sand, it is sand. Like, can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, this is so... Listen, y'all did a thing this time. You did a thing. This was an excellent collaboration. I am here for all of this. Every single piece of this. I'm here for it. Listen, the power edition of this kit, this is everything that you could ever ask for and more. Like, who... Thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this team, that I was able to get this box. Like, I'm just... This is a box that I hope that if she can, maybe like release some of these items, like these leftover items. If there are any leftover items, like, I would definitely suggest you guys grabbing these, because this is something that is just timeless. All these things are timeless. They're perfect reminders of how to be your best person, like what to do to stay on top of your game. Like, how cute is that? Like, you don't even, like, you can even use this for something, like to stick in your planner. You can use all of that stuff. Like, listen, baby girl, you did a thing. You did a thing, and I am so excited about it. I really am. You guys let me know down below what you think is your, like, what is your favorite item from the collection? Like, what did you like for this time, this power edition? You guys, I am absolutely here for this. I cannot get over how beautiful and amazing. Like, first of all, can we get back to this? Like, roll the beautiful bean footage. This is absolutely gorgeous. This, I never got a chance to get any of her clay pieces, but I'm assuming that this is what it would have been reminiscent of. Like, child, I don't, y'all play too much. Y'all play all day, because this is absolutely gorgeous. And didn't nobody tell me nothing. Nobody prepared me for this, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what your favorite item was from this collection. And yeah, like, if y'all love it, just put hearts and stars, horseshoes, clovers, and balloons. Drop them crowns down below, because you got your power back. Drop the little muscle arm down below, because you got your power back. Like, I'm so here for this, y'all. I cannot express, like, how much I'm here for this. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! KK, bye!